Barack Obama is back in the spotlight and he's making waves again. Hey everyone, did you catch the big moment at the 2024 Democratic National Convention? Barack Obama has always been known for his powerful speeches, and this time was no different. At the DNC, he spoke about the importance of unity and the future of the country. He even endorsed Kamala Harris for the 2024 presidential election, giving her campaign a major boost. Michelle Obama also took the stage and delivered a heartfelt speech. She talked about her time in the White House and what it means to continue fighting for what's right. Her words left the audience emotional and inspired. The 2024 DNC was held in Chicago, a city that's incredibly special to the Obamas. Barack Obama began his political career there, and both he and Michelle have deep roots in the city. Their return to Chicago for the convention added a personal touch to their appearances, making the moment even more impactful. One of the biggest moments was when Obama officially endorsed Kamala Harris for president. His support is seen as a major boost for her campaign, and many believe it could be a game changer in the race. Obama's appearance at the DNC reminded everyone of the legacy he left behind. From healthcare reform to international diplomacy, his influence is still felt today. The way he connected with the audience shows why he's still one of the most respected figures in American politics. Barack Obama's impact on the DNC and American politics is undeniable. Want to hear more stories like this? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates.